Okay, so we have a quadratic number pattern over here, and they ask us to solve A, B, and C for this number pattern. We can see that the standard formula for a number pattern is Tn is equal to An squared plus Bn plus C, right? And they want us to calculate the A, B, and C part, right? If we check, we have a formula over here, and we can see that, just write this down quickly. So let's write down the different terms of the number pattern. That's -1, 6, -1, 6, 17, 32, and 51, right? And if we check, we have a formula over here, and what we want to do is we want to find the constant differences, right? And with a quadratic number pattern, there's usually two constant differences. So we can just check the first one, 6 minus -1, and that's equal to 7. 17 minus 6 is 9. 32 minus 17 is 15. Wait, let me just double check. 17 minus 6. Sorry, that's 11, not 9. 11. 32 minus 17 is 15. And 51 minus 32, that gives us 19. And let's find out the second constant difference, 11 minus 7. That gives us 4. 4, 15 minus 11 is 4. Okay, so we can see we have two sets of constant differences, eh? Okay, so they tell us that the first term is equal to A plus B plus C, eh? Right? Let me just move it a bit to the side so I can draw this a bit better so you can see what's going on over here. Okay, let's put it over the side. They tell us that the first term is equal to A plus B plus C, right? This first term is equal to that, right? The second constant difference is equal to 3A plus B, and the last constant difference is equal to 2A, right? Okay, so we can solve each one of these equations and we'll find out what the values for A, B, and C are. Just save this one quickly. Right, I'll send this to you. Okay. So we have this, right? So we can now calculate what A, B, and C are going to be equal to. And let's start with our first equation. We can start from the bottom, right? So we said that 2A is equal to 4A over here, right? So remember your second constant difference is equal to 2A. Your first constant difference is equal to 3A plus B, and your first term is equal to A plus B plus C, right? Okay, so now we can solve A. A is going to be equal to, we can divide both sides by 2, so A is equal to 2A, right? Now we can solve B. So we know that 3, so this is the first one. This is the second one. 3a plus b is equal to 7, eh? Okay. But we know that a is equal to 2, so it's 3 times 2, eh? Plus b is equal to 7. Carry that over, b is going to be equal to, so that's a 6, 7 minus 6 is equal to 1, eh? Okay. Now we can find c, and we know that c is going to be a plus b plus c is equal to negative 1. A plus b plus c is equal to negative 1. Right? Okay, we know a is equal to 2 plus b is equal to 1, and then c, this is all equal to negative 1. So we carry this over. This gives us c is equal to negative 1 minus 1 minus 2. So c is equal to negative 4. Right? So for this number pattern, the value of this number pattern is 2x squared. Well, let me just rewrite this. Ax squared is bx plus c. That's going to give us 2x squared plus x minus 4. So that's the final answer.